Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Back in September 2022, a very strange thing happened to me. I woke up one morning and found that my inboxes were full of weird messages saying things like, "My deepest condolences. So sorry for your loss. My heartfelt condolences to you and the British people." It took me a while in my half-awake state to realise what all these messages were for. They were basically from ex-students of mine, clearly students who don't know me very well, sending me messages because they had heard that Queen Elizabeth II had died at the tender age of 97. Personally, I don't find it shocking that a 97-year-old I didn't know might die. What was shocking was that so many students thought that I might care about this. And I guess it's because of this widespread belief that all Brits basically must love the royal family. In fact, nothing could be further from the truth. For a lot of people, there's just a feeling of indifference towards the royal family. There are, of course, some who do love the royal family, some who follow the ongoing soap opera that they seem to exist in, and others like me who just wish we could do away with the whole sad, sorry institution. We often use this phrase, "nothing could be further from the truth," to mean what's just been said before then is basically completely untrue. You might hear it, for example, if a celebrity couple who have been rumoured to be on the verge of divorce release a statement saying that their marriage is actually fine despite all the rumours. They might, for example, say, "People say we're splitting up, but nothing could be further from the truth. We're still very much in love." You might use it in meetings, for example. You might say, "Listen, I know that you think I'm not a fan of the idea. Nothing could be further from the truth. I think it's a great idea. I just think there are a few issues around it that we need to consider." And you might also use it when contradicting or countering other people's ideas. So, maybe you have a friend who other people look at in a strange way. And you might defend your friend by saying, "Yeah, look, I know that he can sometimes come across as being a bit bitter and grumpy, but actually nothing could be further from the truth. Once you get to know him, he's a really lovely guy." If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use "nothing could be further from the truth."